Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use lens blur in the Lightroom app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. Here we have an image, and from here we just go into the right side, click on lens blur, and here we just turn this on, apply, wait until the app estimates the depth, and afterwards we will be able to blur the image and blur certain spots. Also we can refine the image, and yeah, as you can see, we can blur a lot of things. This, and also we can refocus. For example, I want to refocus this part, and then I can increase this or decrease this. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.